How to set camera, swipe preview up or down to open, quick controls, or switch cameras on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, open up the camera app, then tap on the control button. In here, tap on the settings icon. In camera settings, we now scroll down and then we tap on swipe preview up or down to open, quick controls, or switch cameras, or you can even turn it off. So select one of the options in here and then we go back to the camera. Now in the camera preview window, you can swipe up to open up quick control here, or we can set it so that it will switch the camera instead. So here it will switch the camera when I swipe up or down like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.